Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale to lower. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, increasing circulation in your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, inhale, sweep your arms overhead, gently looking up. Exhale, lower your arms, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement, moving at your own pace. Release and return to center. Draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Moving into a gentle hip opener, place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your spine long, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip. Slowly lift your torso to upright, transitioning into a tree pose variation. Maintain your legs, placing your hands in prayer position. Continue here or reach your arms overhead, keeping your shoulders relaxed, lightly firming your lower ribs in. If space allows, place your hands together as you continue to zip the energy up the midline of your trunk, while lengthening your tailbone towards the earth. Release your hands to prayer position, adding a twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right while maintaining your hips facing forward. Unwind and repeat this twist in the opposite direction, rotating from your waist rather than your hips. Release and return to center, repeating this sequence on the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Adding a gentle hip opener, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, moving slowly and gently, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer hip. Lift your torso to upright, moving into a tree pose variation. Maintain your legs as you place your hands together in prayer position. Continue here or reach your arms overhead, keeping your shoulders relaxed. If space allows, place your hands together as you continue to invite space and a steady breath, lengthening your tailbone towards the earth, lightly firming your lower ribs in. Slowly release your hands to prayer position, adding a twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left. Unwind and repeat this twist in the opposite direction, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Unwind and return to center. Extend both your legs forward, keeping your legs active, contracting through your quadriceps. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Continue wrapping this flowing movement around your breath, moving at your own pace, keeping your core engaged, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and step your feet back to center, moving into a reverse plank position variation. Place your hands to the seat of your chair and lift your heart, pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet, inseams rotating inward slightly. Continue breathing deeply, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Reach your left arm up and over to the right, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your left side body. Continue breathing deeply as you release and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Reach your right arm up and over to the left, breathing wide into your right side body. Release and step your feet back to center, moving into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Reach your left arm away and towards the earth. Adding on, begin to point and flex through your left hand, waking up the energy of your wrist and hand, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Reach your right arm away and towards the earth. Adding on, begin to point and flex through your right hand, bending at your wrist. Continue breathing deeply, keeping your shoulders relaxed, feeling a gentle stretch through the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Release and return to center. Waking up the energy of your feet, begin to lift through your heels, pressing down through the balls of your feet, and lower your heels as you lift through your toes. Continue with this movement as you lift through your heels, press down through the balls of your feet, spreading your toes, and as you lower your heels, lift and spread through your toes, flexing the tendons through the tops of your feet. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg, extend through your heel, flexing through your right foot, and bend at your knee, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles, creating more mobility in your joints. Pause and hold with your right leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, stretching through your right foot and ankle. Release and draw your right knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, round, drawing your knee in closer. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, drawing your shoulders down and away from your ears. And with each exhale, round your spine, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest and your forehead towards your knee. Pausing and upright, draw your right knee in towards your chest. Release your clasp and open your arms wide as you continue to lift through your right leg. Optional to extend your right leg to hover, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your left leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles, creating more mobility in your joints. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, stretching through your left foot and ankle. Release and draw your left knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, round, drawing your knee in closer. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Pausing upright, draw your left knee in towards your chest. With your core engaged, release your clasp as you continue to lift through your left leg. Optional to extend your left leg to hover, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, twist to the right, reaching your left arm forward and your right arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, maintaining your hips facing forward, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Pause and hold, twisting to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Continue breathing deeply as you unwind and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.